It's a lifestyle choice. It's a different pace than the city. You can be anywhere you want in 5 minutes, and you know your neighbors, and there's a real sense of community here.
One of the most attractive elements of North Grenville as a community is the amenities and recreation opportunities we have to offer residents and visitors alike. We're very proud of our 150 kilometers of recreation trail that wind throughout the municipality. We've got a state-of-the-art new recreation center that houses both the municipal office, 2 rinks, multi-purpose space, and a theater, and it's an absolutely beautiful facility.
We have a tremendous mix of young and old, urban, rural, business people, people that live here just for the style of life. And I think that's a tremendous potential that we have in North Grenville for future growth, for future development, for future work to develop the tourist industry, to have people come and visit here, to live here, to stay here, to retire here. And it really has something for everyone.
Small town charm and big city amenities. We've got very competitive sporting clubs here. We've got soccer, we've got hockey, we've got baseball for the kids and for adults as well. And we've got a Junior A hockey team here in North Grenville as well. It's lots of good things happening here, and as we get bigger, it's just more and more for people to do.
We have 8 restaurants in Kemptville, in just this old downtown part. That's just the beginning of what we hope to create a destination in Kemptville. So it's a place that you just want to go to.
Kemptville will always have that hometown, good country feel. It'll never lose that.
Kemptville in the municipality of North Grenville is strategically located between the capital city, Ottawa, the 401, the USA, and between Toronto and Montreal.
We wanted a combination of a small community, relatively small, and yet it's got all of the services and amenities that our kids might want, that we would want. And it's progressive, it's growing.
That people want to be where growth is, where the potential is.
The municipality has created an environment where business can thrive with competitive tax rates, and the businesses have grasped that, and they're reinvesting that money that they're saving back into their businesses and into the community.
To manage the growth in North Grenville, you have to become a self-contained community, and this is where the management of the growth occurs. We're open for business. We have one of the best economic development staffs in Eastern Ontario, developing a plan to go forward to create the jobs. We want higher paying jobs now to make this a self-contained community.
One of the unique characteristics of us coming into this marketplace is the cooperation and coordination between the political will of the municipality and the staff itself. The mayor and council and the senior planning staff have been on the same page right from the very beginning of this project.
The Ottawa Airport within 30 minutes from here. We have rail sidings that come right up to town. The main CP rail line between Montreal and Western Canada runs right past us. We've got the 4-lane highway, the 416, which links to 401, which takes us within millions of people within several hours.
I foresee that in the not too distant future, this will be the largest community within Leeds and Grenville. And I think that as the years unfold, I think we'll see lots of good things coming out of this municipality, a lot of good innovative things that will put it in good stead to be a catalyst for development, not just right here, but in the immediate Eastern Ontario area.
We've been in North Grenville for just over 6 years, and the opportunities that presented to us came as a result of this being a wonderful mix of country and urban area. For all of our homeowners and our target market people that come here, they're very interested in the country living as well as being accessible to the large Ottawa market. And we find it such a simpler place to do business. It's very easy. The people, the authoritating people are within reach, and we get to meet with them on a daily, if not a weekly basis.
I think in a lot of ways in North Grenville, it's growth done right. We're protecting what's important to us, protecting the green space, protecting that country feel, but also enhancing the services that we're all looking for as well.
North Grenville is such a wonderful community where everyone gets behind the various projects, but this project, the library, is one where the community pulled together in such a positive way. They raised lots of money, but they were also able to get the federal government, the provincial government as well, involved to make this wonderful facility a reality.
I think people feel that. They can actually feel the atmosphere of our town, what a heart it is and what a great place to live and how we're proud of it.